In this video, I'll show you how to find and organize apps on your iPad. To find apps on your iPad, there are two ways. Let's say you don't see an app that you need on this home screen. Try swiping left on the screen to go into the second page. If you still can't find an app that you need here, swipe left again on the screen until you see the app library. At the top, tap on the bar that says App Library to search for an app. The keyboard will come up and you can just type in what you need. For example, I'm going to search for Zoom. I'll type in Zoom. There's my Zoom app. To open it, I just tap on it to open. If I don't want to search for it anymore, I can tap the X to type in something else. For example, weather. I don't need to type the whole word because the iPad can guess what I'm looking for. So as soon as I see it, I can just tap to open it. If I finish now, I can just tap cancel. Get back in the app library. And to get back in the home screen, simply swipe right. Swipe right again. You can also find an app very quickly by swiping down slightly on your screen, anywhere. So for example, I'll swipe down very slightly, and there's my search bar. There I can type in what I'm looking for. If I don't want to search anymore, I can just tap anywhere outside on the main screen. I can also remove or add apps to my home screen. To edit your home screen, press and hold anywhere on your screen. You start to see the apps moving, and on top of each one, you will see the minus sign. That is the remove button. For example, I want to remove the Tribit app. I just tap on the minus sign on the top left corner of that app and tap on remove from home screen. If I'm done, I can just tap done or tap anywhere on the screen. I can also add widgets to my screen. I'll press and hold on the screen again. On the top left, there is a plus button. I'll tap on it and it'll bring up all the widgets. So widgets are just bigger versions of the apps. For example, it's hard to check the battery on the top right corner because it's so small. Then I can add a widgets for batteries. I'll tap on batteries. From here, I have many options. As you can see, there are 3 dots. That means I have 3 options. Battery of this tablet and every or a list. If I just want the first one, I'll tap on Add Widget. Here we go. And I can see the battery widget on the top left. You can also organize the apps in the order that you want. For example, I want the weather app up there. Press and hold on the weather app. I drag it and place it where I want it to be. If I press and hold and drag it on top of another app, that will create a folder with 2 apps inside it. I can have a folder of as many apps as I want. And iPad will name it for me. If I don't want the apps to be in a folder, I just press and hold the app and drag it out, place it somewhere else. Once I finish, just tap Done or tap anywhere on the screen.